Let's get ready for a raspberry picking meetup. The GSK I'm gonna wear is like kind of small in the bust, so it's binder time. Gender euphoria. Extra femme with a little bit of mask. My favorite. Okay, I have so many cream tops, but I literally just love this like lacy one from another Angela's. It's stuck in my closet. I've saved it. Yeah, I literally love this blouse. It has like a kind of weird neckline with JSK's, but the lining is so soft. It makes my sensory issues go, mwah, chef's kiss, so soft. I don't know what accent that was. Like, neurodivergent sensory issue accent? I have a very hard time cutting off tags, so we're ignoring the fact that I've had this for over a year. I think I've only worn this JSK once because I asked my mom to zip me up and then she was like, I'm gonna make a comment about your weight. So I've never worn it since. The fear I have in my heart right now to see if I can get this to zip because I hear my mother's voice in my head. And also, this is so hard to... This blouse, the one downside is that it gets caught in zippers a crap ton. Okay, we'll see if I get it zipped or if I need to change. Haha, you don't win today, mother. I think I'm gonna take the waist ties off because I really want to belt this. Waist tie. There you go. Lol, I'm already missing the other waist tie. That's so funny. Mila moment. There she go. Should I wear bloomers today? How cold is it gonna be? No, F that. It's like 79 right now. Why in my head did I think it's gonna be cold? Okay, it's time for a longer petticoat because this is the long JSK version. Look how cute that looks. We're ignoring its strawberries and not raspberries. Adorable. Mila wants us to add an apron, and they're in my drawer. So many to choose from, but this one has a matching apron somewhere in this drawer, maybe. Isn't this so cute? It kind of covers the hearts, but it's fine. I have this Innocent World belt that I think would look really cute with this if I can find it. Boxo headdresses. I might wear this one with today or a beret. We'll see. Yeah, I'm literally just going through. There's that match. Where is it? Okay, this is everything that would match. I think I'm gonna go with these because they're a little shorter for wrist cuffs. I don't know about headpieces yet, and definitely the belt. Right? Isn't the belt just so cute? I know it's an apple, but like, cute. Oh no, the timer started too soon. Okay, I have so many different options for headpieces. Like, I could do something very Lolita-esque, like that, right? Actually, this is so cute with it. Maybe I'll do that. Or, this guy, I don't know. This I stole from my cousin. It just feels very tall. Like, it feels tall and my hair feels flat. I do have like a little, I could put this somewhere, you know, tie my hair up, put a bow in it. Maybe I'll do that because we're strawberry picking. Or I have berets. Okay, I actually grabbed a scrunchie that I think I also stole off of my cousin. It's red. Don't make fun of my thinning hair. I'm anxious and depressed. We need like hair clippies or something. Like I have this guy. Is that too much red on red? We'll see. I'm gonna put it in and see. Wait, you guys can literally tell me. Not that you can, because I'll be gone, but does it look cute? Tell me. Okay, yeah, I like it. I vibe with it. Cute. Oh my god, I need to leave in like 60 seconds and I'm not even close to being done. This is what I get for going to sleep at 5 in the morning. We gotta swap out the earrings. Funnily enough, the friend I'm meeting up with today sold me these. And they're so cute, but it's not a sea-themed day. I'm just gonna put my spirals in, because if I don't wear ginormous chunky earrings, I don't feel like myself. I think lighter cream socks. I also have brown ones. I have like a million cream and brown socks, but I'm thinking these. Ba-bam. It's time. Oh, abso-fucking-lutely, yes. Okay, guys. This is the finished cord. Yes, I am wearing cowboy boots. They're staying on. What do we think? I'm gonna go grab a capelet or something in case it gets chilly, but yay, I'm so late right now. I'm literally leaving 15 minutes late. Don't tell anyone.